Hello friends, welcome to DigiTrade YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you an opportunity to earn $200 if you are the right candidate or the right person for this, right? So what are the requirements? So if you are someone who is working in the IT industry and are marketing and sales professional, or someone who is the founder of a SaaS product, someone who working in e-commerce and fintech and telecom industry, then we have an opportunity for you. So all you have to do is complete the form below, write your basic details like company name, email address and your full name, and I will get back with the next steps. So you will have an opportunity to earn $200 just for attending a product demo. So all you have to do is attend the product demo. If you are right fit, you do not have to purchase anything and you will be getting $200 for just showing up for the demo. I hope everything is clear. Check the link in the description, complete the form, and I will get back with the next steps. Thanks.